pop out either. Not that dash, huh? Listen, everybody who has come in here is going crazy about that dash because nobody's seen that dash in the car yet.
That's custom, man.
Yeah, but ain't nobody have half moons. Nobody. You see, you barely see the things.
That's what I was saying in the
You ain't gotta worry about that because you're never gonna be. You're gonna be driving, bro. You're gonna be a zero. You're gonna be looking at it as zero like this.
No, but the half moon looks.
Listen, this boy right here went crazy when he saw it right now.
Oh yeah.
Look, open up the glove compartment. Usually when they put the radios in the glove compartment, where it be at?
Right here. Just exactly what I want.
Listen, a lot of people,
Gas came out good too.
A lot of people like this thing, man. But every dash I've done for you, I've never had a problem. What are you talking about? I've done every single one of them.
Have I ever had a complaint?
Not
Never. That's why I always come back.
How many cars have you done with this man?
Shit.
It's the truth. I was the one who took the car from over there.
Fine.
Yeah.
Every time. None but satisfaction, man. Get you right. I went with about 4 or 5 cars, I don't think. Yeah.
Me and little brother went in. Remember all that thing was right. Look, even the fire, look, all the way in the front is painted.
I see that as the edge right here.
Everything is painted, everything. All your things are filled up, everything.
I see that in the pic too.
Only thing I didn't touch was the engine itself. If you decide to keep it later, we'll come bring it and I'll change the plugs, I'll change all the wires, I'll take everything off and I'll paint everything one night, put it back in. Wires nicely, look, boom. Watch this. 1, 2. Perfect. And then if I want to take this out, just screw here, I pop out, the battery's there. But everything falls in place like it's supposed to. And then it's hard doing this, but it's faster than doing it all vinyl. Do it all vinyl.
Yeah, I like this better.
You gotta do a lot more work because the body work shows on the vinyl, so you gotta make a lot of, you gotta do a lot of work for it. But like this, it looks better because it gives you that feature. wire's nice. Look, boom. Watch this. 1, 2. Perfect.
Yeah.
And then if I want to take this out, there's a screw here. I pop out, the battery's there.
Yeah.
But everything falls in place like a puzzle. It fit like it's supposed to. And then it's hard doing this, but it's faster than doing it all vinyl. If I do it all vinyl,
No, this I like this better.
you gotta do a lot more work because the body work shows on the vinyl, so you gotta make a lot of, you gotta do a lot of work for it. But
Looks good.
but like this, it looks better because it gives you that two-tone.